Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today we are going to tell you about an Google Chrome extension that help to keep your browser fast, keep your toolbar clean, free up the space, and allows you to switch on and off all your extension or some of the extension in just one click. It will improve your productivity. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google in a Chrome browser. Search for the extension Extensity Chrome extension. Here is the result. Or search it in Google Chrome Web Store. Here is the extension. Open it. Let's see some of the features of this extension mentioned by the developer. Quickly enable disable Google Chrome extension. Tired of having too many extensions in your toolbar? Try Extensity, the ultimate tool for lighting, fast enabling and disabling all your extensions for Google Chrome. Just enable the extension when you want to use it and disable when you not want to get rid of it for a little while. You can also launch Chrome apps right from the list. It keeps your browser fast. Disable extension that you won't use right now. Keep your toolbar clean. Ideal companion for extension collectors. Extensions off and back on with a single click. Quick switch between several extensions groups using the profile feature. Add this extension. It's installing. Extension is installed now. Let's check out it. Here is the icon. Click over the icon. Here it shows all of the extensions. The fade one are disabled extensions and the brighter are the enabled extensions. Switch on and off button from extension profile setting. Here you can change the setting of this extension. Here you can set the profile name. Sharing option to share on social media sites. Sharing option to share the extension on social media sites like Twitter and Facebook. Switch on and off all the extension at one time. Here we click and extension is disabled. Enable again. We click on this extension and it's disappear from here. Again we click and extension is enabled again. So you see how easy it is to switch on and off all of extension or some of the extension at the same time. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Yeah.